When they came to Germany and the Brecha, after the war, my mother went back to her home Mažeikiai to see if anybody was left from her family. She still had a mother, father, 2 sisters, and a younger brother. Because she was 7, 3 were with her, and those were left behind. And she was told that they were all gathered together from all the villages in the area and taken to near the river. There was a Lot, it was his name, a German. He gave his land so that the Jews could be shot there. And that's where they were shot. My grandmother was shot on the road there. She couldn't make it. She was too old. But my mother came back before she left Kovna to go to Germany to see if anybody was left. And she saw that there were Lithuanians living in the house, and she was afraid to go near because they were still killing people when they saw a Jew. What did a Jew come back for? They came to claim the house.
Properly.